Good morning, dear students. As you can see in the picture, we are going to read the chapter Madam Rides the Bus by Valli Kannan. This is a story of an 8-year-old girl who has a strong desire and how she has the courage to fulfill it. And what was her desire? She used to see a bus arriving and departing on her street, and that was her pastime. She used to stand at the gate of her or the door of her house, and she used to look at the bus and the passengers traveling. She also had a desire to ride in the bus. Now, this story is about how innocently but responsibly the girl behaves like an adult and not like a child behaving foolishly. She fulfills her desire with a strong conviction. So, please read this text or the chapter yourself and follow the video in which I will be telling you the summary of the chapter. The lesson is about an 8-year-old girl named Valli who did not have friends to play with, and so she would spend her time by looking at the outside affairs going on the street. Her favorite part was to look at the bus that passed by her village every hour. It gave her endless joy to look at the new set of passengers each time the bus crossed by. Gradually, even she wished to travel by bus. Soon the wish turned into a desire, and therefore she made it her mission to fulfill it. She started listening to the conversations between her neighbors who frequently traveled by bus, and in the process would ask a few careful questions here and there to collect more information. Just like this, she knew that the town is 6 miles away from her village, and it took the bus 45 minutes to travel one side. One-sided fare was 30 paise, making it 60 for a back and forth ride. Therefore, she started planning and replanning so that she could sneak out during her mother's afternoon nap and come back without her knowing anything. She needed to save the money, which was not easy, as she had to resist the temptation of candy, peppermint, and merry-go-round. That is, she saved the money for having a bus ride, and therefore she did not spend any money in the village fair, neither to buy candy and peppermint nor to go on the merry-go-round. In this way, finally she saved enough money, and one fine day the brave 8-year-old took the bus during its not very busy hours. She refused to take any help from the conductor or fellow passengers. It was an amusing sight for everyone to see such a small girl all alone acting like an adult. The conductor was of the joking sort and thus referred to Valli as a grown-up madam. Short-heighted Valli would stand on her seat to be able to see clearly from the window, while everyone advised her to sit for her own safety. Each time someone would poke their nose in her business, Valli would get annoyed, as she did not consider herself a child. She did not want to be friends with an elderly lady who was worried about her because she thought she was not socially capable enough. She enjoyed seeing what was going on outside, and the sight of a running cow in the middle of a road was abruptly a funny scenario for her. Upon reaching the town, she refused to get down the bus because she was too afraid to do so alone. While returning, she carried extreme enthusiasm while she saw a cow lying lifeless on the road. It was the same cow that was so joyous previously. Valli got terrified at the fact that how a creature so full of life can instantly turn into something horrible. She sat down silently for the rest of the journey. Upon reaching home, she found her mother and aunt talking about the endless possibilities in the world outside. Valli affirmed to what her mother was saying, leaving both of them astonished. She then justified her reaction by mentioning that she was casually agreeing to what her mother was saying. Now, in this way, the author has projected Valli as an adult who was not only behaving like an adult but also trying to understand the things that were going around her in a very wise manner. Her aunt then referred to Valli as a nose poking child who acts like a grown up lady, but only Valli knew what she was referring to because, after all, no one knew about her bus journey. So, in this way, the little girl had the courage to fulfill her desire to ride a bus, and during that ride, what was her experience, how bold she was to the other passengers and the conductor. All this is mentioned in this story. So this story inspires the children that they should always have a strong desire for whatever they want to do. Let us discuss about the theme of the story. Through Valli in Madam Rides the Bus, Vallikannan depicts the curious nature of the children. The story also shows that how easily children are fascinated by new things, and their curiosity does not end without them experiencing the delights of fantasy life in their life.